of course, it's been way more than 7 minutes. I did my cooking, we played our games, or got tortured, as the case may be. We're back with Richie in our beautiful art department. I've never seen it so spick and span.
Thank you very much.
With Peter Walsh, God bless him, for co-hosting yesterday, for letting us torture him today. The timer did stop, and you said you only nitpicked a little bit. 30 seconds after.
That's it. Yeah, it wasn't crazy at all.
So tell us, how did it feel?
You know what? I was sweating about 4 minutes in. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm gonna get this done.
Yeah.
But you know what? It just ended up happening. I just kind of like, with the tips that you gave me, you just put everything back where it was supposed to be. I didn't freak out. Nice and calm and
It seems
relaxed.
like a little bit of the math games we were playing earlier, because your brain knows that you have the pressure.
That's it. And also, the thing that you have to do is not try to be perfect. Like, don't try to be perfect. And that's why people delay. 7 minutes, give it 7 minutes a day, and I promise you'll...
Sooner or later, you'll get there.
Absolutely. And look at this. In 7 minutes,
It looks phenomenal, you guys.
completely-
Check everything out. It looks great.
Do the organised dance, please, Richie.
Oh yeah, this is
Organized dance.
No way I'm doing that.
Thanks, everybody. We'll see you when we see you. Enjoy your 7 minutes in hell or heaven or the ice bucket. Bye.